Welcome back to your English vocabulary channel. Today's word is to cling. What the meaning and how to use it. Cling is a verb that is often used to describe the action of holding on tightly or adhering to something.
Here are a few examples of how to use it. Let's say your friend was out and get home wet. You can say, after getting caught in the rain, her wet dress clung to her body. When talking about the relationship of people, you can say, despite the challenges, they clung to their friendship. You can also use it to talk about ideas and belief. Here is an example. Some people cling to traditional values, while others embrace change. You can also use it to talk about emotions or memories. Let's see an example here. You can say, the image of that moment clung to her mind for years. Remember, the usage of cling often implies a strong attachment or adherence, whether it's physical, emotional, or metaphorical. Now, give your own example using the verb to cling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily vocabulary. Like and comment also because it is free.